friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I mean Magical Math. My name is Cheshtakeshri. I am 10 years old. This video is part 8. Earlier we learned about multiplication tricks or magics using Vedic Math. Today we will discussing addition of any single or multiple digits. For example, this or this or this or this. And you know friends, we're going to solve in seconds and in mind, without copy, without pen, using Vedic Math. In today's Jadoo, as told just now, we will see how to do addition of any single digit or multiple digits in mind. For example, this or this or this or this or this or this or this. As always, before going to actual magic, I want to share today's secret. And the secret is dot for 2-digit numbers. Well, I will explain how and where to put a dot for 2-digit number. Well, for example, I took this question. I've written in maths copy form. We will start adding numbers from right bottom. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. We have still single number. 3 plus 4, 7. Again single number. 7 plus 2, 9. Again single number. 9 plus 5, 14. Now we have 2 digits number. So it's time to put a dot to the next place number. So like this. Now you have to forget these number and just remember the rightmost number. So 4. So now let's continue. 4 plus 0 and keep in mind dot means 1. Okay. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Still single number, and 4 plus 8 is 12. So now again we have 2-digit number. So 12 and now we write 2 and dot. Okay. Now we are done with 1's place number. Now we move to 10's place number. Bottom. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. And plus 1, 7. We don't have any 2-digit number. So that's it. That's tip for you guys. Okay, so this magic works faster if you're fast in 2 single digit numbers addition, like 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 plus 9, 16. 5 plus 7, 12. 6 plus 7, 13. 8 plus 8, 16. 5 plus 9, 14. 7 plus 8, 15, etc. Let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this question. I've written in maths copy form. Start adding from right bottom. 1 plus 4 is 5, which is single digit. 5 plus 9 is 14. Here, there are 2-digit numbers. So it's time to put a dot like this. And remember only rightmost digit. 4 plus 5 is 9, which is single digit. 9 plus 5 is 14. Here there are 2-digit number. So we have to write dot to next place number. And remember only rightmost digit number. So 4 plus 8 is 12. Again, this 2-digit number. So we are going to write dot to the next place number and remember only rightmost number. So 2 plus 7 is 9. which is single digit, and we don't have any number further to add. So we will write here. Now we are done with ones place number. Now we're going to go in tens place number. So, and remember, start from bottom. So 8 plus 1 is 9, which is single digit. 9 plus 4 is 13. Here there are two digit number. So we're going to write dot to next place number, and remember only rightmost digit. 3 plus 5 is 8, which is single digit number. 8 plus 1 is 9, again single digit. 9 plus 1 is 10, and plus 1 is 11. So there are two digit number. So we're going to write dot here, which is single digit, and we don't have any number further to add. So we will write here. Now we are done with tens place number. Now we are going to move at tens hundred place number. And again start from bottom. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 4. So which is single digit, and we don't have any number further to add. So we will write here. As said, done in mind, without copy, without pen. Here I mentioned steps that we followed today. Please go through it. As always, for better understanding, I've shown some more examples here. Please keep in mind, dot means 1. Thank you for watching my video. I would like to request, if you like this Jadooi math, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and press bell icon. In case you have any doubts or question or tips for me, please write in comments. Please solve below question using today's magic or Jadoo. And remember, my new video comes on every Sunday. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.